Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed and turn on post notifications so that you are going to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Here with me is the Tecno Camon 11 Pro, which was released in the year 2018, and then the video today is about the Camon 11 Pro in 2020. Is it worth it? In this video, I'm going to check out the features of the phone, and then we are going to see if the phone is still worth having in the year 2020. First of all, let us take a look at the camera. A very great camera with the different modes here: the video, beauty, bouquet. The portrait is very sharp, the panorama, and then the super pixel. This is just it. The back features a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera with a quad flash and the fingerprint sensor with the Tecno logo just under it. And then below here we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, the micro USB cord, the speaker, and then the microphone jack. And then on top here we don't have anything here. So this is just the build of the device, and the device is actually very sleek. It's very slim. Like you see, I'm holding it. It's very sleek and very fine. And then it has a 6.3 inches display, full screen display, with the Android 8.0, which was the latest Android version then. And this is just how the menu is. It's a great device of 4GB RAM and 64GB, which is great for any kind of storage you would like. It also features 4G Lite network. Like we have seen here, it has 4GB of data, 64GB ROM, a 60 megapixel selfie camera, 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel back camera, 2.0 GHz processor, a 3750 mAh battery. Then the screen resolution is 720 x 1500, and it comes with Android O, which is the Android Pie. This is all. It's also known as the Tecno CF7K. The Android version is 8.1.0. So this is just it. The device is still worth it in 2020. Like we've seen, it's very fast in loading applications, and then you get a big storage for all your applications and all your needs. Like we've seen, test running it, very sharp. Then let's just check out the 4G speed. Let's try loading YouTube. Like we've seen how fast it is. Let me try searching something. This is actually my channel. We've seen how fast it is in loading stuffs. It's a great device, and you get all you want in this. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. This device is sold for about 59,000 now, but when it was released it was sold for about 68,000. So if you would like to buy it, you can go to any slot shop. That's if it is available now, because I think what is available now is the Tecno Camon 12, which was released late last year. So this is my advice on the Tecno Camon 11 Pro, and then having gone through it, it's now your choice to make if it is still a device worth it in the 2020. Keep your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and also you can help me share, you can also help me grow. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.